If you've encountered security checks on your Venmo account and need to restore full access, follow these straightforward steps to regain control. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Venmo app or website and enter your login credentials. If you can't log in, follow the prompts for account recovery. Step 2. Verify your identity. Once logged in, you may be prompted to verify your identity. This can include answering security questions, entering a verification code sent to your email or phone, or providing personal information. Step 3. Review security notifications. Check your account for any security notifications or alerts. Venmo may provide specific instructions or actions required to resolve the security checks. Step 4. Update security settings. After verifying your identity, navigate to your account settings. Update your password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. If you're still facing issues, reach out to Venmo's customer support. Provide them with any necessary information and follow their guidance to restore full access. By following these steps, you should be able to regain full access to your Venmo account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Venmo support.